it's you.
That's right. Here to take you in. Even at the end of the road. A drink to wet your throat. Well, how is it?
Bland.
Spring's bounty in Jiangnan tastes sweet. Shall we go together?
No.
Worried on my account? Don't be. The cowards probably wouldn't dare.
Seize him! Retrieve the Genguan Jade! Zhongyan! You slew your own father and stole the Jade! Go! You stand condemned before all!
The secret within that pendant must be quite something.
Not now. Come on.
After him! But let him flee with the Genguan Jade! Oh! After them! After them! They're here! Don't let them get away! They're here!
The whole world's after you, yet you still won't tell?
You're one to talk. Still inviting me to Jiangnan?
What of it? The two of us against the world. What a delight! They even brought out the fire cannons! Sharp as ever!
Quiet. Watch out.
Genguan Jade! Genguan Jade! They're here! Get him!
Even the Orient Pavilion takes interest? You're in more trouble than I thought! Look at that! Yang Yan, the stone-faced hero, finds humor in desperation.
Get him! They're here! After them! They're here!
This is getting interesting, just like old times.
Uncle Jung, when will you finally let me go out there?
The Jung-Hoo?
Yeah, those merchants passing through Jingha told me all kinds of things. It sounds so fun! There's the 8 Talents of Hodong, the North Alliance, and lots of new sects too! Oh, I heard some can use moves from every sect. They were put in the Wulin Journal and became heroes in the Jung-Hoo.
So you aim to master them all?
As long as I keep practicing, I know I can. I'll join you, Uncle Jung. Just like the heroes in the merchant stories. We'll roam the Jung-Hoo together. Huh? A butterfly! Come on! Wake up, please!
Stop!
We were supposed to go to the General Shrine together. You just fell asleep.
The man in black.
Man in black? A great swordsman? Where is he?
It's gone. He took the jade pendant, but he didn't hurt me.
Hey, are you listening to me at all? I'm getting mad.
Ruby, were you hitting me?
Huh? I didn't want to. I was trying to wake you up. And you just wouldn't. Oh, you said a man in black. Where is he?
Forget it. It's nothing. Just a dream.
You said we'd wander the Jung-Hoo together. You're keeping me. Tell me, or I'm not talking to you.
All right. Weren't you going to buy stuff from Beard Guang at the General Shrine? Are we still going or not?
I almost forgot. Come on, let's hurry. Uncle Guang agreed to bring me a new storybook this year.
Oh, can you wait for me just a little? I need to go inside and check something.
Come back quickly.
I wonder if that man in black left any clues behind.